Here at Loughborough University, we present a conference that bridges the gap between academia and applied practice on a campus that's designed to do just that. There'll be plenty of workshops and applied sessions with leading practitioners in a vibrant conference environment where knowledge exchange and collaboration can really thrive. And our week-long social programme will conclude with a closing banquet at the home of Leicester Tigers, one of Europe's leading rugby union clubs. We look forward to seeing you here in July.